Hi there! So in today's video I am inspired by the whole Stargirl theme. I've been listening to the song Stargirl the entire day because I love waking up to somebody telling me I just want to see you shine because I know you are a Stargirl. So here it is. It's a lot of glitter, a lot of rhinestones, everything is shiny. I really like how it came out, and if you want to see how I did it, just stick around. I'm gonna start with a little bit of a base on my lids. And I'll use the Born This Way concealer from Too Faced. Just a tiny drop of that on each of my lids. And I'm gonna pat it in with a beauty sponge. If you're looking for longevity, I suggest you use an actual eyeshadow primer. I'm not today because I'm not going anywhere, I'm just filming a video. Concealer will work just fine. Oh, and by the way, a little hack, I don't have any piercings for now. So I just glue the rhinestones on my ears with lash glue. For now I'm going to use my Urban Decay Naked Wild West palette. I'm not sure if I have to reach for another palette as well, but for now this has the tones that I need. This is going to be very cool tone. I have a silver, a cool tone transition, and also this dark grey is going to come in handy. I'm going to start with a Morphe 506 brush and pick up a transition shade. So I'm starting from my outer corner, patting this transition on my lid, and I'm also going to bring it towards my crease. Doing little circular motions, really blending this into my skin, and then extending it towards my outer corner. I am flicking my brush towards the outer corner to create a nice faded look. Even though I think I'm gonna do a graphic liner, so I'm not sure if this is necessary. Let's move on, and I'm gonna deepen this with a slightly darker shade. I'm using a Morphe 507, which is pretty similar to the 506, but it's slightly more pointed at the tip, so it's very good for darker shades if you want to concentrate them in one spot and not smudge them everywhere. And I'm gonna be using the Pony Up shade, which is a dark gray. And again, starting from the outer corner of my eye, patting the shade, building up the intensity that I want. And then, after I place down the majority of the pigment, I gently go up with my brush so it blends into the transition shade. I'm also gonna apply some right here. I think that darkening this area makes you look a little bit more intimidating, and I'm definitely going for that look today. Let's see that silver shimmer. I'm gonna pick it up on a flat eyeshadow brush. I'm starting in the center of my lid, and then I'm kind of blending it towards the sides. I'm gonna pick up some more on my finger because I'm trying to make this a lot more intense than it is. I really want this look to be extremely glittery. I'm also gonna reach for my Fenty glitter so that that's gonna intensify this glittery effect. At this moment I have the Fenty glitter everywhere. I have it on my chest, I have it in my hair, and I'm gonna have it on my eyes pretty soon. Okay, now the Diamond Bomb, my go-to whenever I'm looking for glitters. I love this product. It has such a fine glitter. It has a clear base and the glitter is white. It's absolutely magical. I use it on my eyes, on my face, on my chest. It's very versatile. Let's see about that liner. I'm a little bit nervous. I hope it turns out right. I have here the Essence eyeliner pen, and I'm gonna try to use this one, and I have the NYX Epic ink liner in case this needs a little bit of help. So first I'm gonna do a regular eyeliner, and then I want to do a line in my crease. So I'm gonna start with a straight line that goes towards my temples. I made this pretty long because I want a really bold eyeliner, so I'm gonna connect this to my lid, kind of here, with a straight line. Just like that, and make sure to do this kind of a liner with your eyes open in case you need to go over the eye folds. Now I can just fill this in. I don't know if I got a dry eyeliner from Essence, but this seems pretty dry, even though I barely used it. So I don't know what's wrong with it. Maybe I just got a bad one, I'm not sure. I'm gonna use the NYX one on top. The next one, on the other hand, is very wet and it bleeds. But with this, I am pretty sure that I got a bad one because I've used it before and it was really good. Okay, I don't want to ruin this. Okay, now for that graphic part, I'm not sure how I want to do this. I'm a little bit confused. Okay, I think I'm gonna start on my liner and kind of go up towards my crease. Okay, this Essence eyeliner is really disappointing. I hope the next one won't fail me today. This is really challenging while breathing. Okay, I think I can breathe now. This is looking alright, I think. Okay, for lashes, I will apply the Catrice Pour Volume Mascara, and then I will follow up with a half lash, which is basically a lash that I cut in half to use just on my outer corner like I did on this eye. I can't believe I will be applying lashes on camera because I hate doing that. But I do want to show you this technique because I think it's so flattering. And even with the mascara, I kind of tilt my lashes towards my outer corner, so I'm brushing them towards my temples instead of brushing them upwards. I want to have an extended, sort of like a cat eye effect, even with the lashes. So I'm concentrating the mascara on my outer corner, and the half lash is really going to intensify this effect. I'm using the Duo Lash Glue, and it's the clear, quick set version. A little bit of that on the band, and this doesn't need a lot of dry time, 10-15 seconds, and it's ready to apply. And I gotta hold my breath again. So this is gonna go just on my outer corner of the eye. Okay, I think I am happy with that. This look is coming together and I really love it. Time for face makeup. I want it to be really glossy, like that glass skin effect. The perfect product for that is my Rimmel Kind and Free Skin Tint. This one is amazing, and especially in fall when my skin starts getting a little bit drier. This is very hydrating, very glowy. I have the shade 160 Vanilla. It is not ideal, like I could have used a slightly lighter shade, but it doesn't have a lot of coverage, so it's fine. It kind of blends into the skin. I'm doing little bouncing motions, kind of blending it down my neck. And I cannot believe that I have to apply makeup on my forehead. I didn't do this in a year now. It's been a year since I have bangs. Happy anniversary. But it's not actually, because I got them in September last year, so I can't believe I missed the anniversary. Skincare is also very important when you want to have a glass skin effect. And actually it's important always, but especially if you want your skin to glow. I did use, I think, hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, and sunscreen underneath this makeup, so my skin is nice and moisturized. Okay, I'll be applying the same Born This Way concealer on my under eyes, but I am gonna mix the shades Shortbread and Swan. So a tiny dot of each, and I will blend them with my sponge. So they kind of mix on my under eye. I could have mixed them on my hand first, but I am too lazy to do that, and I'm also kind of running out of time. And this really works, kind of blending them directly on my skin. Before setting this, I will apply a little bit of blush because I want to use cream blush today, and I have the SheGlam blush in the shade Love Cake. I'm using my favorite brush for liquid blushes, the Juvia's Place 001 Tapered Blending Brush. Doing tiny patting motions so it doesn't end up patchy. Carefully blending it into my skin. I am blending the creases before setting. I'm only gonna set my under eyes today, and I'm gonna use a powder from Too Faced. It's the Peach Perfect powder. I'm using a powder sponge, and I'm gently tapping the powder on my under eyes, kind of bringing it down towards my pores to set. This will really brighten, make the under eye look flawless. I don't normally go for this look, but today I want to look very glamorous, I guess. Following up with a bit of bronzer, I'm using the Catrice Sun Lover because it has shimmers and it has a very beautiful glow on the skin. And today I want to look extremely glowy, so it works. I'm applying it a bit underneath the blush, hopefully not covering it too much. A little underneath my nose. And I have to bronze my forehead, wow! And applying the leftover on my jawline. I didn't apply highlighter in a while, but today it's actually necessary. Of course I'm gonna reach for my e.l.f. Baked highlighter in Moonlight Pearls. This has an extremely natural glow, so it really looks like skin, like natural skin glow, and I really love it for that. So I'm applying it on the top of my cheekbone, and I'm also gonna use the leftover product on the top of my nose, in between my brows, a little bit above my brow, because now that it's visible, I can take advantage of that. And on my chin, and a bit on my cupid's bow. I love that. I'm picking up my flat brush again to highlight my inner corner. And I'm actually gonna use some on my brow bone as well. And of course I'm gonna have to top it with the Fenty, but I'm not sure if this works with the brush. Let me just try it like that. Yeah, I think that works. I'm gonna set the face makeup with the Hangover 3-in-1 setting spray from Too Faced, which is supposed to have a dewy finish, so it's probably gonna help with the glow. I'm not sure because I rarely use it. I rarely use any setting spray actually. I'm not gonna use much on my lower lid. I just want to apply black on my waterline. I have a black pencil. So I'm applying it on my waterline as well as underneath my lashes. And I'm gonna attempt to do a tiny inner corner wing. If this essence liner will work. I'm kind of scared to use the NYX one in my inner corner because it bleeds, but I think I'm gonna have to. Okay, it's not as tiny as I said it would be, but it works. I will finish off the eyes with a bit of mascara on the lower lashes. I'm gonna keep the lips pretty natural. I'm gonna line them with the NYX lip pencil in the shade Nude Beige. This is very natural, it's very close to my lip color. And the perfect lip gloss for this look is the Lifter Gloss from Maybelline. It's in the shade Pearl. It's like the Diamond Bomb in a gloss. So it's a milky white gloss with glitter and it's really beautiful. And it smells amazing. I'm gonna apply a pretty good amount of that. Which also reminds me that I forgot to use the Diamond Bomb on my face. How could I? So I'm topping my highlighter with the Diamond Bomb. Just on the cheekbones. I think that's enough. And I'm gonna have to finish off this look with a lot of rhinestones. So I have a bunch of rhinestones here and I have my lash glue and I'm not sure yet how I'm gonna do things. I think I'm gonna apply... Okay, I think I know. I'm gonna apply rhinestones all over my lower lid and continuing underneath the liner, so it's gonna be like a straight line of rhinestones. So I'm gonna put a little bit of lash glue on my hand and I'm gonna use a toothpick to pick up the rhinestones. So I'm gonna pick up some glue, actually like dot it like that, and then with the same toothpick with a lash glue on it, I'm gonna pick up the rhinestones because they will stick to the toothpick. And I'm pretty sure that filming the entire process is not necessary, so I'm gonna continue doing that until I finish my lower lash line. Okay, I finished placing the rhinestones, and to say I'm obsessed is an understatement. I actually adore this look. I tend to say that a lot, but it might be my favorite in the last 3 months. I'm not sure, I really love the blue ocean eyes makeup that I did as well. But this is amazing. It's making me really confident as well, which I can really appreciate. Anyway, here it is. I hope you enjoy the finished look. I'm going to head out to take some golden hour pictures before the sun goes away. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was useful or inspiring in some way. I wish you an extraordinary day, and I will see you next time. Bye!